Guys, so I'm just going to do a quick blow dry video for NBR extensions. I washed it, conditioned it this morning, and then I put my basic products in. I'm sorry, this lighting is just, it is what it is. But so I always start with the detangler from Moroccan-Oil, and then 2 pumps of their treatment oil, so whichever oil you use. And then today I put half a pump of the hydrating styling cream in, just because it's getting to that season. My hair's a little bit drier and a little flyaway. So, and then I've just let it air dry for probably 2 hours. So it's still quite damp because I have 1 row of extensions in, so it's still quite damp at the top there. If you're gonna let it air dry, you want to wash it earlier in the day. You don't want to go to bed with wet hair. So I'm just going to show you a little bit of what I do. You'll want a clip. I have just a big clip. And then you'll want to separate your natural hair from the top. And that way you really want to be able to focus on the top of the wefts. I'll show you so you can see. Got about 6 weeks of growth, so lots of movement. It's really flexible. You can do so much with it now. And then I'm just going to use like medium to high, holding on there and really aiming down. So I'm going to do that all the way around my head, and then I'm also, you'll see me kind of pulling through. My extensions have a slight bit of texture to them, which I love. It helps them hold so much better. So you can also use like a wet brush or a paddle brush to help smooth that out. So that's what I'm going to do right now all the way around my head until it's really quite dry, and then I'm going to, my natural hair is pretty dry already. Then I'll bring that down too. If you have 2 rows, you'll just want to separate and pull gently that top row up with your natural hair and focus on the bottom row, and then drop that top row down and do that one. So this is where I'm starting out because I only have 1 row. So I'm going to work on that. Okay, so now my row of extensions and the underneath hair is really quite dry. You want to dry the top of the wefts because you have so many pieces of hair stacked in there, and when I stitch it, it's with a cotton thread, so it really does kind of hold on to the moisture, and it just makes it uncomfortable, and it can lead to matting if you're not drying your hair. So now I've just released my top natural hair, and I'm just going to finish up. So you noticed as I was using my brush, I wasn't using any tension. I waited until it was really, really dry before I started even smoothing with a brush, and it's just so easy. I know it can be intimidating, especially when you're first getting started with your Natural Beaded Rows Extensions. You have to wash it, you have to dry it, you have so much hair, what do you do? Just take the time, even if you let it air dry like I did this morning. I washed it, got the kids ready, got to school, you know, and then I'm at work a couple minutes early just to dry it, and now it's just so much easier. So get that moisture out. If that's easier for you, do that. If you wash on the weekend and you don't have anything else going, you can let it dry all the way. You're going to get the best results though on day one when you shampoo, condition, and do a complete blowout. That way it's nice and silky, and your natural hair blends in with your extension hair seamlessly, even more so, and then you can go on to curl it or whatever else you want to do. So I hope that helped you guys, and stay tuned because I will be curling it later. Thanks guys, bye.